Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to crack your knuckles. Cracking your knuckles is so fun. I do it all the time. It's good for you too. A boy who told me that they're a doctor said that cracking your knuckles makes you stronger, smarter, and thicker. The best part about cracking your knuckles is that it's free. The second best part about cracking your knuckles is that you've got a bunch of knuckles to crack. Start with your finger knucks, but don't be afraid to move south and crack your toe knucks as well. Those are just as good, just as fun, just as healthy. Now you're a knuckle cracking professional and there's no obstacle that you can't overcome. You did it!